What's up, guys? This is TampaTec, and Happy New Year. Let's look back on the Legends Pinball 4K best features and best tables. Disclosure, as you guys know, I work for AtGames and I do video game and table testing. Now, starting off with my favorite feature is, of course, OTG. So you hit the channel button right up here, turn on your PC, make sure all the connections are connected in the back of the cabinet. So it looks like I have all three of my HDMI connections connected, and it's recognized by the Legends Pinball 4K. And now you can hit start. Now, if you do decide to connect your PC to the Legends Pinball 4K, I highly suggest getting the control panel. It makes life so much easier. The control panel is available on the AtGames website. See the link in the video description below. So we're going to go ahead and select Pinball FX3 because my computer isn't the fastest computer in the world. I chose Pinball FX3 because it's very PC friendly. So as you can see, I have everything configured, and I could just plunge the ball and use the Legends Pinball 4K to play Pinball FX3 or even Pinball FX, which is awesome. So if you have all those games already purchased, then you have access to all those games on here, which is awesome. Now, AtGames did release 2025 schedule for Zen, and it looks like Medieval Madness is going to be on that list of games that are going to be released in 2025. So if you join the Legends Pinball 4K group on Facebook, you'll know that the schedule was released, and Zen Pinball schedule May 14th has Williams Pinball Volume 1, which includes Medieval Madness, The Getaway, and Junkyard. Medieval Madness is one of my favorites, but The Getaway is very nostalgic for me because I actually owned that pinball machine but sold it to fix my son's car's transmission. If you look at June, Zen Table release date has Tomb Raider Table 1 and Tomb Raider Table 2. I am a huge Tomb Raider fan. I've been a Tomb Raider fan since she was a little polygon. And I'm real excited about June table release date. Now here's AtGames' new pinball tables release schedule. And as you can see, Primal Carnage Table 1 releases in February. I believe this is going to be a very animated pinball table, which you guys should enjoy. But I'm really excited about in July that has AtGames' original Legends Pinball Table 1 releases. And I think I know what it is, but I'm not 100% certain. I just heard rumors floating around internally what it is. If you guys are interested in the Jurassic Park pinball machine or the Addams Family pinball machine and many others, check out the links in the video description below. Now, another great feature is Pinball Net. Now, you get Pinball Net temporarily for free when you first purchase the Legends Pinball 4K, but you can purchase at the App Store X, and with a new great feature called on-device purchasing, you can actually add your credit card to your account and purchase all these game packs and even Pinball Net, this monthly subscription or yearly subscription, and gives you access to over 140 tables. App Store X right here, just make sure you're connected Wi-Fi and signed into your account. And as you can see, you have an option of Pinball Net 1 year, and then you also have an option for 6 months or 1 month. As you can see, I have access to Pinball Net, and if you see a down arrow like that, that means you could download that table. Let's go ahead and click on install. You can install internal storage or install FDX, which is flash drive X, USB drive that's plugged into the back of your Legends Pinball 4K. You can access the online leaderboard and see if your score places on the top 10. Use the right flipper button to cycle through all 50 top scores. And then right here, you click on the game or click on the table and start it up. And as you can see, it works fantastic because we're not streaming it, we're actually downloading and playing the game straight off of the flash drive X. Adding favorites. Now there's 136 tables on this Legends Pinball 4K, but let's say you want to create a favorites list. It's easy to do. Let's go ahead and do it. So by clicking on all tables and games, You can sort through and go through your favorite ones by clicking on the right nudge button. Selecting the right nudge button will put a star on that table and add it to your favorites list. It's right here. And there's Arkanoid and Back to the Future. If you want to remove it, just hit the right nudge button again and it will remove it. Is Flash Drive X. Plugging in a flash drive in the back of your Legends Pinball 4K. Then you want to make sure you format it and then mount it. And then you'll be able to add more storage to your Legends Pinball 4K for more games and tables. I already did a video about the Legends Pinball 4K must-have add-ons, and I suggested the control panel, and I also suggested SSF Kit, which gives you a great immersive feedback when you're playing pinball tables. But another feature I really like is the ability to adjust those settings. So you go at SSF settings and you can adjust all your feedback settings. If you want them stronger or weaker, you can adjust those settings right here. If you want to adjust your solenoid settings or turn them off, then you can do that as well. So you can have that solenoids on or off while you're playing. Another great feature is offline mode. Let's go ahead and check that out. So if you go to manage, you can select your tables that you want to add offline mode. Now the benefits of having this is when for any reason you lose internet connection in your house, then you still be able to play your DLC tables. Click on manage. And then I want to choose the pinball tables I want in offline mode, which is Sorcerer's Lair, Wild West, and Charlie Brown Christmas, and then enable, and that's it. As simple as that. So if I turn off my Wi-Fi, or if the Wi-Fi goes out, internet goes out, then I don't have to worry about not having access to those games. I can play those games, no problem. And if you get a high score while you're offline, next time you are signed in and it connects online, then the high score will sync to the online leaderboard. So don't worry about losing your high score. Now currently I am connected. Now even though I'm in offline mode, I am right now connected to online server. This is kind of like a backup plan. Your Wi-Fi is down, then it gives you the ability to play these tables offline. Another great feature, what I use all the time, is Data Manager. Now you can back up your settings right here by clicking on export. And the reason why you might want to do that is in case for any reason you need to factory reset your Legends Pinball 4K, you can easily input all your settings and it wouldn't take as long to set up your Legends Pinball 4K. Manage storage. This is where you can transfer your tables from internal storage to the USB drive. So as you can see, it says Flash Drive X on the side of each table, and it tells you where each table is located.
Another great feature is on-device purchasing and parental controls.
Go to Account, Manage Payment Method, and click on Add New Card. All the transactions are secured and encrypted. Once you add your card, you can protect your purchases by entering parental controls.
Create a PIN code.
You can manage a sub-account, create a sub-account. And create a kids account. Go into settings, and you can hide App Store X, and even hide adult games and tables. Hit back, and then you can switch user by clicking on kids and select that and hit done. You don't have to worry about unwanted purchases. You can you go ahead and switch to the main account. And if you want to purchase a table, and there's App Store X once again.
These are my favorite tables that were released in 2024 for the Legends Pinball 4K. A lot of these are nostalgic for me, but some of these are actually new, like Natural History 3 and Sea of Thieves. To start off the list is Monster Bash. Awesome bash toys with a lot of humor. Next is Creature from the Black Lagoon. Zen did a great job with the effects. It has a lot of shots that are fun and fun modes and a lot of humor as well. Next, of course, is an all-time classic, The Addams Family. This has also a lot of humor, a lot of fun shots, and great multi-ball. Next on the list is Star Trek: The Next Generation. These are one of my favorite shots of all of pinball. It has lots of combo shots, 2 mounted guns to blast to collect jackpots. Highly recommend. Next on the list is Fishtails. This is probably one of the most addicting shots, shooting those ramps straight up the middle and comboing those shots. They're so much fun. Next is Attack from Mars. One of the best bash toys of all of pinball, the UFO shot, and you gotta shoot down the UFO to save the city. Next is Wild West Rampage. This is a lot of fun, and especially dual mode. In dual mode, you gotta shoot down the bad guys and collect the bounty. Next on the list is Space Invaders. This is a great pinball table, and it's also available for the Legends Pinball HD. You have to shoot down the Space Invaders and protect your base. Next on the list is Operation Wolf. Once again, this is available for 4K and HD version, and once again, it is similar to Space Invaders. Protect your base by shooting the bad guys. Next is Sorcerer's Lair. Sorcerer's Lair is actually one of Zen's all-time classics. It's a lot of fun, it has a lot of charm to it, and great combo shots. Zen did a great job with the effects too as well. I actually beat this table. I'm on the top 3 spot. Go ahead and try to knock me off. This is one of my favorite shows growing up, Knight Rider, and now it's a pinball table thanks to Zen. I highly recommend this table. It has great modes and a whole lot of awesome callouts. One of my favorite movies of all time, Jurassic Park. And now it's a pinball table thanks to Zen. Once again, they really nailed it. Chucky, one of the few adult themed tables, is a whole lot of fun. It has a great razor blade upper left flipper shot to lock ball for multi-ball. Battlestar Galactica is one of the best tables to show off the SSF kit. It really has a lot of awesome special effects. Twilight Zone, one of my favorite movies and TV shows, and now it's a pinball table thanks to Zen on the Legends Pinball 4K. Highly recommend Twilight Zone. It has awesome special effects and a lot of fun shots. World Cup Soccer. Pinball and sports really do come together, and Zen did a great job with the special effects. Shooting goals with the pinball is a whole lot of fun, and I hope to see more sports-related pinball tables in the future. New to the list is Dinosaur Dynasty 2 from the Natural History 3-pack. It's available for the Legends 4K and the Legends Pinball HD. Dinosaur Dynasty 2 has an epic ball lock. Shooting the ball into the dinosaur's mouth is a lot of fun. Nature's Fury is one of my favorite Magic Pixel tables of all time. Start one of the disaster modes and see the awesome effects it has on the ball.
Oh, cool. I like how it whips around the tornado. Very cool. Much better. Much better. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Very good. Excelente.
Insect World has a great Wasp multi-ball. I highly suggest shooting that right shot and starting that Wasp multi-ball to collect a lot of points.
Wasp multi-ball! The swarm attacks!
World of Microbes is actually very underrated. Start a mode by shooting that left ramp. Once you spell out microbes, then all the microbes starts floating around and you gotta shoot these moving targets. It's a whole lot of fun and it never gets old. This is the latest table, Sea of Thieves, to release on the Legends Pinball 4K and the Legends Pinball HD in 2024. Let's go ahead and check it out. And just like the Sea of Thieves online game, you're going to battle the Kraken. You're going to battle ships. And you're also going to collect gold and cash out that gold at the outpost, which converts to points. Let's go ahead and get started. If you want to win gold, you can start Fortress Island mode or Treasure Island mode, where you have to search for treasure behind a flashing light. Fortress Island mode, you have to defeat the skeletons to win the gold. And once you win the gold, I highly recommend cashing out at the outpost by shooting this light twice, this target. If you don't, the Kraken can pop up and take your gold if you lose. If you win and you defeat the Kraken, then you'll win points and have the opportunity to cash out your gold and convert it to points at the outpost by shooting that twice. The Kraken mode is probably one of my favorite modes in Sea of Thieves, and I hope to see more interactive modes like this in the future. 2024 started off a little slow, but now that 2024 is closing, I could say that it ended really awesome for the Legends Pinball 4K. Some great tables released near the end of 2024, and 2025 has even better tables waiting for us.
If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that might be interested in the Legends Pinball 4K or the tables, check out the links in the video description below. Share this video to anyone this video might interest. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech video.